What are y'all about to do with all that? Oh my goodness.
This is all the stuff that a racer requires, basically.
Everything a racer requires. What we got in here? Oh, there's the boys.
Is there anything else in there?
Ginseng. How's it going?
Bro, you went so fast, you left your pants. It's going real good. What you say? You were so fast, you left your pants. Yeah. I'll put all this.
Y'all just trying to clean out everything, or what are y'all about to do?
We're about to clean this out to make room for the R6 that we're gonna put in here, and we're gonna get that bad boy ready to.
Already got R6 in there?
Yeah, we're gonna stuff it in here.
Right here in the ginseng van.
Yeah, get a little.
Yeah.
Look
at this
inside view.
inside here.
Right here, you got the ramp, this ginseng ramp. It should be just enough room for us to make it work.
Alright. Right up here.
This your bag? You got money everywhere, man? Oh, there you go.
All about it. Oh, look at there. Oh, and you got the ginseng in the back?
Yeah, show it up close for everybody to see.
What we got
We're on that ginseng right now.
Alright.
One a day, one a
We
day.
got some grape. One a day. I'm taking this one. Mine! Almost ready.
Oh,
Everything cleaned out. And ran into this.
full R6 from out of the boxes around there.
Well, that R6 gonna fit nice in there.
I think that's pretty much everything.
Alright, so we're about to head out and go pick it up.
Yeah, so we're gonna go pick up the R6 now, and we're gonna go from there. Dang. That's the R6, man.
Dude, this thing is sick.
I ain't got no.
It's a street fighter.
Yeah, it's a street fighter right now. I gotta put all those fairings back on.
Dude.
Change that exhaust, probably the wheels, and I gotta get rid of those mirrors. Pretty much everything.
Are you gonna get rid of it? You're gonna make it.
I'm just gonna pretty much just set it up to make it a good street bike. But I also want to take it to the track too, so this is gonna be more.
Man, I love the front of the Yamaha. It's like aggressive, man.
Yeah, so we're just gonna get that.
Shelly, get on the bike.
Put it up.
No.
Come on, just sit on it. Don't fall.
I would hate to tilt it.
That would be fine. Not
Yeah,
really.
it will, but I got
No, that wouldn't. He's like, no, it wouldn't. Oh, you got frame sliders on it.
frame sliders, so it wouldn't even matter. These,
Oh, well, I guess we'll get it in.
yeah, we'll get it put over in there.
Oh, this ramp came in clutch.
Yes, it did. I need to get a ramp for the van. No, that's not how we did that.
Yeah, I mean,
How we put that on there? I'll let you take over. What did we do? No, we didn't do it like that. We did it like that. Yeah. This is actually a fun bike, man.
would it turn on?
Huh?
Would it turn on and it's still turnable?
No, I told you my exhaust bolts off of it.
So it'll be like hella loud. Oh yeah, it'll throw like fire on it.
Yeah, it'll probably just start doing some crazy stuff. This R6 put into the van, and then we're gonna get it taken to the house, and then this is basically gonna be the introduction of showing how the bike look now versus how it's gonna look once I start applying all the changes to it. But as you can see right now, I don't have no fairings. Still got the mirrors on. This is basically still a stock exhaust. I haven't even changed that yet. The wheels are stock. I'm gonna change the tires. Probably raise it back up to the stock height. And I need to change the windscreen. I'm gonna completely change all the fairings on it. I'm gonna change out the water pump and replace some gaskets on it. Cause it's been sitting up for a while, so I'm gonna go through it and do some maintenance. And cause right now it's almost at 30,000 miles. I think I'm like right at 28, but so far it's still been good. This front tire right here needs to be changed. So we're gonna get this put over here into here. It's gonna be a tight squeeze, but we're gonna make it work. My company right here. Hey. Avis, he's gonna be helping me taking care of this. He's actually been helping me a lot behind the scene. A lot of people haven't seen him yet, but like a lot of stuff that I've been doing, he's actually been helping me and been a part of it. So
It's a real deal.
yes.
Real deal.
So I'm gonna need y'all to help support him,
Tiger's a real
help
deal.
support me. Then we got Shelly over here. Shelly's helping out today too. And then we're just gonna put this in here. And then, like I say, once we get it back to the house, I'm gonna try to get it broken apart and start modding it. And then I'm just gonna start making videos along the way. And then that way it can kind of keep everybody up to speed of the process and progress that I'm actually doing with the bike.
All right.
All right, simple enough. This right here actually may be pretty good.
Yeah, I thought the
Cause I
GoPro
could
would be
just
good.
this
Yeah,
holds my
that's
mouth.
like what it's made for you.
Yeah, but that camera.
It's probably more high def than that. I'm sure.
You think this is?
No, your camera.
Oh, the iPhone.
Yeah, probably, because you know iPhone.
The iPhone got some good quality. Yeah, they got cameras, bro. Like a lot of people sleep on them, man. And they don't even have the best cameras. That's the thing.
You know, I think iPhone camera is pretty good.
Well, at least from
I got an S9 Plus and I don't know. I still think it's pretty good compared to that one. How did we do this last time? We got it way on the fork.
we hit it on the floor. And on this one, it's not gonna really be a big deal because we're gonna.
This is, dude, it's so much lighter. It's crazy. You gonna take all the fairings off?
Yeah, I got a whole fairing kit for it. Yeah, that right that work.
But
Some good stuff.
headquarters. I don't know.
Get it unloaded, and then hopefully we can start making some progress on it.
Oh, what is
This
that?
bag in the back.
When we get to the
How do you want
crib.
to put this back in there?
Oh.
Lay it sideways over here. Or?
Just gonna throw it in there.
Stop.
Which?
You want to turn? We can flip it sideways and put it on this
Yeah.
side.
Yeah,
so
just
it'll-
slide it right up in here, and we'll be good. That was easy enough.
Noise.
Man, we struggled like a lot. R1. We were
Yeah.
like an hour.
Yeah, we was out there for a while.
Oh, there you go. Now you got to use it.
We made it look easy, but it was
Yep.
hard.
I appreciate that. So we're finna head back now and get this party started. So see how that worked out pretty good. Pretty good. So we're finna pull it out.
R6.
Got it.
Yeah. All right. So we got the R6 out.
Ta-da!
We can race all the way home, man.
Yeah. That's the Tiger.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's still.
Hey, that should be your intro right there. Boom.
Right.
It's just like what?
Oh, you
There
know what?
he is.
Yeah, that's good.
We found him.
You just open. You look at the van. I just had it the van like this,
I can
and then
believe
you
who we
open
just
it, and you just like,
That's dope.